is the bird? Anybody see the bird? I can hear the bird, but oh, there is the bird. Oh, sweet. Oh my word, this is sweet. The chirping of the bird. There it is. Who can make the sound the birds making? Do it again. Pip 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 pom pom. Pip 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 pom pom. Natural life it is. That is it, man. Yeah. Go eat some apples. They're over there wasting, birdie. Go eat some apples. Yeah. It's on Monday. Okay, Uncle Barefoot. Night Sunday. Okay, in Trang. Oh, there's so much to see. That is it, man. The bird fly away. Birdie fly away. Ah, birdie girl. Cow skin, man. Oh, wow, no number. What a pound for the cow skin? Cow. How much for your cow foot? Oh, me I look for no where they no gone left me.
Jesus Christ.
And give me wrong number.
No, let me give you man. Jesus
Give me
Christ.
right number again.
For the phone last.
The phone last?
Yeah.
So you don't want nobody know your number?
The phone last man.
Alright.
Jesus.
How much for your cow head?
Go with 6 a pound.
600 a pound. How much for your cow foot?
350 a pound.
How much for your skin?
Skin 450.
Wow, skin dear.
Pork. Pretty pork.
Pretty pork.
Pretty pork. Pretty.
Alright, me I go tell them boy if you look out for you. Them over here, so what the them I watch football. Me I tell them if you look out for you.
You buy last time.
Yeah man, we always buy food from you. But me I look out back for you.
Today.
No, remember say me no eat meat you know, me advertise for you. Remember say me no eat meat again. That's why I say me I go talk to them. Hold on. Alright, that is it. That is it.